Machines, electricity, and inventions. Simple machines. What is a simple machine? Simple machines are usually made up of one or two parts. The inclined plane, the pulley, the wheel, and the lever are simple machines. Inclined plane, ramp or wedge that we use to go up and down. Pulley, wheel with an axle in the center and a rope that runs around the outside. Wheel, disc with an axle in the center. Lever, rigid bar that turns on a fixed point called a fulcrum. What types of levers are there? Class 1 lever. The fulcrum is between the effort and the resistance. Class 2 lever. The resistance is between the effort and the fulcrum. Class 3 lever. The effort is between the fulcrum and the resistance. Complex machines. The computer. What is the computer? A complex machine is a combination of two or more simple machines. A computer is a complex machine. A computer is an electronic machine that processes information. A computer carries out four main functions. Input, we use the keyboard and mouse of the computer to give data to the computer. Memory, the computer stores the data it receives on a hard drive. Processing, the computer also contains processor or central processing unit, CPU, and output, the computer has a screen and speakers. How do we use the computer? The internet is a computer network that lets people all over the world communicate with each other. To use the internet, you need a browser and an internet connection. Computers can also be used to create text or slideshows. We need a word processing program such as Microsoft Word or a slideshow program such as Microsoft PowerPoint. Electricity. What is electricity? Electricity studies the presence of stationary or moving charged particles such as electrons and protons. An atom is made up of a nucleus, is made up of protons and neutrons, subatomic particles. Protons, positive electric charge, neutrons, no electric charge, electrons, negative energy electric charge. Electricity. What are subatomic particles? Subatomic particles are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Equal number of protons and electrons, electricity neutral. Unequal number of protons and electrons, electrically charged. Protons, positively charged. Electrons, negatively charged. What is static electricity? Static electricity is the movement of electrons between two materials. Rubbing the balloon causes the electrons to move from the hair to the balloon. The balloon becomes negatively charged and the hair becomes positively charged. They attract, so your hair stands on the end. Electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the movement or flow of electrons between atoms. What are electrical conductors? Types of matter, we have electrons that move easily from one atom to another. We call these electrical conductors because electricity can flow easily through them. Electric circuits. What are the different types of circuits? Simple circuit, series circuit, parallel circuit. An electric circuit is a closed loop or circle. Electricity will only flow if the circuit is closed. Electric circuits can be found in every machine that uses electricity. Electric circuits. How do we represent electrical circuits? Switch on, light bulb, wire, battery, switch off. Inventions and important machines. How have inventions changed our lives? Inventions throughout history have helped make life easier. Electric light bulbs and power stations. Thomas Alva Edison was the first person to invent a light bulb that produced light for a long period of time. He also built the first power stations. Communication. In 1925, John Logie Baird built the first working television. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented the first telephone. Other inventions that helped to improve communication were the computer and the internet. Transport. The two most important inventions that have helped develop means of transport were the steam engine, invented by James Watt in 1765, and the internal combustion engine, invented in 1789 by John Stevens. What have we learned? Simple machines are inclined plane, levers, wheels, pulley. There are three types: class 1 lever, class 2, class 3 lever. The three types of circuits are simple circuit, series circuit, and parallel circuit. Some of the most important inventions were light bulbs and power stations, communication, television and telephone, transports, steam engine.